Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sel. Today's video is Fridge Restock plus Pantry Organization. We just did our grocery shopping from Walmart and Sam's Club, and I'll be showing you how I put them away, cleaning and organizing. I hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful with all the kitchen organization ideas I'll be showing you. Let's clean our kitchen together and organize with me. So here's the overview of everything that we pick up for this grocery haul. We got some meat. We are running out of some chicken, so we pick up more of those, and some churros. We have dairy items here such as milk, yogurt, and cheeses. We have fresh veggies, frozen veggies, a few frozen items. We have breads, some canned goods, and some pastas. This is how the fridge looks like before I organize and put away everything. I'm going to take out all of the items that's inside in the middle fridge so that I can wipe down all of the shelves before I put back whatever needs to go back here and restock it. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. If you like and enjoy home organization videos like this, as well as cleaning motivation and seasonal home decorating, I upload this kind of contents every Friday, so be sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for hanging out with me again in this video. I always get asked why we have a lot of food in our home even though I have a small family. Well, when I was a child growing up, I've experienced hunger quite often. At home, at school, I have 7 sisters. In short, we have a big family. I've experienced living with 3 family in one group at some point of my childhood life, you know. It's fun, but not so much when you all don't have anything to eat. Unlike here in America, we don't get free of anything in the Philippines, not even food. We can't afford to keep food stock in our home, nor even to buy food for the day sometimes. So having a lot of food in our home now gives me comfort that I'll never be hungry again. Though I am thankful that I've experienced things like that growing up, cause now I appreciate what I have, but at the same time, I don't want my son to ever experience that. Plus, I think it's smart to keep a lot of food in our home cause if anything happen, like another pandemic for example, we'll be okay. When the COVID hit, we weren't ready. We end up paying double price for things that we shouldn't have. A lot of what we have are pantry items and frozen goods anyway, so they can last for a while. I also often get comments like I'm using food stamp to make videos like this. I just want to clarify that we do not have food stamp. My husband works 2 jobs and I work a full-time job and doing YouTube on the side so we can afford to buy our own food and pay our bills. There's not a lot of yogurt left in these containers, so I just pre-pack them in these smaller containers so that it's ready to go when I need to take them for work or even just have it for snack at home. In our chest freezer, we have all of our raw meats except for barbecue items like steak, hot dogs, and burgers. But pretty much all of our raw meats are in here, and raw fish and a few TV dinners. I had a viewer ask me how do I know what to buy so we don't run out of food. We shop big once a month or every month and a half sometimes, and with that haul, I always make sure we have all the meats that we need, such as beef, chicken, pork, and fish. Since we're big meat eaters here, these items are essential because you can basically make anything with them, or at least we can. I don't meal plan like how other people do, but I do cook a few recipes on my day off from my 9 to 5 job to last us a week, so we can avoid eating frozen dinner often and also avoid going out to eat. I don't like to buy food at work, so I also take lunch with me when I'm working. I do go back to the store though once a week or once every 2 weeks to pick up fruits and veggies, since we don't buy a lot of those with our big grocery hauls. They tend to go bad. So we just buy what we like to eat, and then I make something with what we got throughout the week or month. I hope this answers that question. I understand that stocking a lot of food at home doesn't work for everyone and every family is different, but we rarely ever eat out, so it works for us. In the pantry, I'm taking all of the containers that are empty and also the ones that needs to be refilled, or the ones that I need to put the groceries that we have on the island. When refilling containers, unless the foods are the same batch, I try my best to put the new ones on the bottom. And then for expiration date, I put it on the bottom of the container using chalk pen. I know there are people and families out there that can't afford to stock food in their home and struggling to put food on their table day by day. I understand because I have been in that situation before. I just want to share this quote that I've heard from one of my favorite shows and has become my favorite quote as well. There is nothing permanent in this world, not even our troubles. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore, as well as give you some ideas on how to organize your own fridge and pantry. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this from me. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I truly appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye friends!